Hey guys, what's up? It is Jess and I am back with another video for you, another sit down chit chat video for you, and this one is going to be on how you can make friends while you're traveling or if you're living abroad. First tip you can use before you decide to travel somewhere or before you move somewhere, and that is joining a forum. There are lots of forums online on Facebook. There's even places that you can meet on Instagram or YouTube where you can communicate with people who are living in the place that you are either traveling to or moving to. And that is a way you can get to know more about the place you're gonna go and potentially make a friend. I did this. I joined a Facebook forum before I moved to Serbia, and that's the way that I got to know, make some new friends and go to certain events. And this was a forum that was just strictly expats. So it was people who I could definitely relate to because we are foreigners living in a different country, and it was just a great way to meet people. So before you travel somewhere or move somewhere, definitely check out if there's a forum, and that way you can communicate with people and potentially make new friends. Going off that, see if there are any expat communities. So if there are any events going on that you could go to centered around, say, an embassy that is part of your nationality, go to that. You can meet people that you can definitely relate to because they're from the same country as you. They're probably experiencing the same culture shocks as you, and they can give you tips and tricks on where you should go and eat and travel, and you can potentially make a new friend. There are also some expat groups that, like I said, you could find on Facebook or online that are just strictly foreigners, expats moving or living or traveling to a specific country. If an event comes up that you know of, go to it with an open mind. Try and talk to people that are around you. You don't have to go into it thinking that you're going to make a best friend, because honestly, from my experience, it takes me months and months and months to establish relationships with people, even if I've met somebody on my first day here. And that's okay. So go to it with an open mind. Maybe you may not click with somebody, or you think, okay, they're nice. Just approach people and be yourself. I mean, it's so cliche, but just be yourself. And you can't expect, like I said, to just click with somebody right away, but give it time and invite them out. You can't always expect that people are going to invite you out and just wait around and wait around. If you find a few people that you meet, just think, okay, maybe next weekend I'm gonna invite them out to get a coffee or get a beer, or my birthday's coming up, maybe we can do a dinner. You have to put yourself in uncomfortable situations, and that is the only way that you're going to really make friends and form relationships, whether they're personal or professional or even acquaintances. You know, anything helps. You just have to be yourself and get a little bit uncomfortable and put yourself out there. And when you're approaching people, maybe you should approach people that seem like they're around your same age. Say you're into football. Go to a place that you know that is gonna play your favorite team's football game and watch it, and then potentially you can meet people who are into the same thing that you are. Or if you're into beer, go to a beer fest. You can find other people that are into beer. You know, you just take things that you're interested in and find a way to go to these things, even if it's on your own. That is a way that you can meet people that will most likely have things in common with you. Whether they're around your same age or not, that's okay. What you really want in a friend is somebody that you have something in common with. So definitely go to places that you are interested in, because people you want to be around will be there. And going off of that, go to places that you are likely to meet people. So that could be bars, concerts, cafes, restaurants, walking around town, a park, anywhere that you can be surrounded by people and potentially just carry on a conversation with someone. And who knows, I mean, people make friends like this all the time. Meeting somebody in a park, meeting somebody in a bar. People make relationships that way. So, you know, this is definitely an obvious thing, but even if being in crowds isn't your thing, maybe try it out, because you could definitely meet somebody that you vibe with. Once you've established these relationships or have met somebody or people that you like I've said before, organize an event or have people over or go out to dinner and tell them to bring friends along too. This is an obvious way that you can make friends and start forming your own tribe, start forming your own crew. And that is how I've made friends. I meet someone and then they're like, oh, you would really like my friend so-and-so, and then they invite them out, and then we all get coffee together, and then before you know, we're all best friends, and it's awesome. So that is definitely a way to make friends. So I want to end off this video with just saying, making friends, whether you are in your hometown or living in a different city or traveling, it is definitely, it can be hard because you want to be able to vibe with someone and trust someone and have fun with someone, but just put yourself out there, always be yourself, because you do not want to be around somebody who doesn't like you for you. And like I said, this can take time. It has taken me months to establish some relationships with people, and that's okay. I would rather have 2 best friends than 60 acquaintances, you know what I mean? So follow these tips, and I promise you, you will find long-lasting friends in your new city, and you will just love it there, and you will make amazing memories with your new friends. If you have any tips and tricks yourself, or have any other experiences you want to share about making friends abroad or while you're traveling, then comment down below. I would love to chat with you, and give this video a thumbs up, and definitely subscribe because I post videos every week, twice a week. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you have a great day. Bye.